bản cử nhà cắt đạ nhà tài phía hang ổ thô vừa đi vừaอย่างเจ้าเนี่ยยามต่อยเมื่อต่อยก็เยอะอย่างส้มเปียนะก็โยนสัญญากับฟังโอ้ผมอย่างเจ้าเปลี่ยนตายนะสัญญากับฟังอย่างแต่ว่าผมต้องสัญญาเขาเตะเปลี่ยนแต่สัญญากับแบบตัวนี้หรอthốt rồi bơi bơi hiện súng bị tạt sẽ chết được bơi bảng quá được bơi súng chết kề quá you see the flags over there my USA the flags quá flag quá đã xem bữa chỉ con bữa chỉ con tại bữa tăng bữa mày bằng xãว่าคนเสียด้วยเสียงแรงหมายความว่ากว้างว่าบนตายจะเมียนตู้ฟูตู้หลงสี่ห้างยังโกยังฟัดApa dokter di sekolah? Thank you. ถ่ายเลยทุกสิ่งทั้งหมดได้เสียบัวพาร์เจ้าเสียรับฟังยังเราเสียยังไม่ได้ยังไม่ได้ so we finish the parade right now so we can start the program very soon so บัวมีกว้างต่อยชาวต่อยจากตู้น้ำเสียหัวได้เส้นไม่บัวพลังเป็นใหญ่ไม่บัวชุดดาวชาวว่าประธานแฟรงค์ไอ้ชาวบัวยินตัวแทนแคลิฟอร์เนียแฟเอียWashington Seattle Oregon New South Iyun vớiที่ผ่านในประการนั้นพวกเจ้าโหเท้าอิสระนักเซซ้อนดำบุญเยเจ้าโหใต้ เพราะว่าบัวเอแต่จะเล่นฟิงอ๋อบัวเซแต่ว่าใบอีทอยนั้นแต่ยับนะเริ่มเป็นนักเซมใบบัวเงี้ยประธานจัดงานอ๋อแต่ว่าแฟรงค์ไอ้สาวประธาน U.S. Union Friendship Network กุยจอยไอ้จิตใต้
มันให้โซนอ่ะ
เขาเชียมแต่ว่าดีตายไม่การตะพงเต่าว่า first family in USA that's been the culture and families here today so there are three will be all the top leaders this day and right now and let them to cut the ribbons hiện giờ chấp yên sao chứ muốn cái chấp đắt rồi là yên sao tăng bữa luôn rồi bữa yên chấp bà muốn thành bài búa ô ok tôi chấp tổng cuốn dùng búa ô 1 2 3 lại thì sắp nhiều bữa yên búa dạo cháu cái cái gì búa tạo búa mê của yêu biển búa búaว่าจะได้เกี่ยวกับผู้ใหญ่ที่เขาแอบไปเสียต่อสู่เหล็กฮักเสียเย็นสะเดือนนะโอ้สไลเลี่ยมนะก็ตู้จะกับชั้นกี่ได้นำเสียญี่ปุ่นว่าแฟรงค์แต่ก็เจียวว่าพวงต้องนำเซเลมนีนะดูจับ
เป็นนักเซกองหัวหยัดสูงแต่hầu họ vừa như yêu miền thảo mấy quốc chỉ nhắn rồi hăng nô like this is over 50 years anniversary in the USA so congratulations and God bless all thank you
เป็นสวยตัวจุนบุ้มบัวต่อยฮัตเต้าปีของดำอย่างบุ้มแม่เสียบุ้มไปเหลียวน้ำฝนว่าจะไปอีกยันใส่เงี้ยมันก็มันก็ฮัตเต้าหลอกคู่ฝน anyone who lost your cell phone so please come to claim okay thank you thâu bùa tỏi ta là khu phồn với quân tài đại tôi ổ yếm chia
Được rồi. Đúng không?
Một ít thôi một thời gian bài buổi tiếp như bây giờ main MC ladies the main MC today she's the one who helping beginning and the end she helping everything thôi thì bài buổi tiếp thèn chiêm sẽ tới đó thèn chiêm tàng with you today.
Good morning, everyone. Thank all of them. Chả nọ,แต่ว่าแรงจริงช่ำบนเมียนมัวเจียเตายินหอยอันให้ก็เจียวเย็นป่านบัวเก่งแต่ว่าตรงเที่ยวก็สินเจียวเย่อย่าจุ้งตายแต่ละวางบัวนำตรงจิ๊บโอแรงจริงช่ำหันบัวยินหอยบัวมาจู้เตาแต่ว่า MC จะยีการทั้ง อีป่าเดว่าเย่อ introduce เดว่าที่แต่ต่างอีดอมในปัจจุบันเย่ชาวได้เก้าผู้เยอะชาวเดียวว่าที่ต่างมาแจ็คไซเช้าชาวแมคเคนซี่ไซพาน also one of my niece and we also have เดว่า Judy Tao and then Ihiu and Judy's here and Ihiu I'm not sure but there's 6 of us เลยวิจิกรเยี่ยเทาแต่ว่าเขาพูดเลยที่ตั้ง second session will be Mackenzie and Jack Say Chow and then at the end will be Ihiu Tao Judy O กิ่งหายให้หายเลยจริงวิจุตนายโอ so KCRA news is here a station here locally they will be airing it tonight at 5 p.m. capturing this whole event I did a quick interview I hope I did a good job representing us our human community here today so without further ado I don't want to take any more time we're already kind of short on schedule as you guys can see our schedule is very tight so we're going to go ahead and start with the national anthem if we can have Angela Chow is Angela Chow here
thì bài bữa bữa nào thì bài bữa bữa nay cho nó chào tại báo đây sẽ an tâm
Here celebration with us today. My name is Frank Sapan, chairman of the event. Yao Seng Tang is co-chair from Seattle, Washington, and Futsoy Pan, co-chair from Portland, Oregon, and Tan Kim Tang, co-chair from California. I am humbled to be chosen to lead this celebration. Why do we need to celebrate this 50-year celebration? We honor the past, uplift the present, and inspire future generation to embrace culture, identity, and language. At the same time, learn to adapt and build diversity in a strong American society. First of all, thank you to 50-year planning committee member, your dedication, volunteer, organize the events and decoration and activities, and being a team player to accomplish this celebration. And also thank you to all financial donors. Your financial contribution make it possible to celebrate our human journey from survival to successful lives here in America. And thank you to all vendors, business bird for being part of our celebration. Second, thank you to our human doctors, lawyer, educator, master degree holder, bachelor's degree holders, law enforcement officer, government workforce, and business entrepreneurs. You are backbone to our union community and contribute services to American society. Thank you to all young union performers. You are our hope and future to the next generation. I would also like to thank you all the elected officials who spend their invaluable time to serve with us today. You recognize us in your constituency and you set an example to inspire our young union to follow in your footsteps. One day, we hope to see our union becoming elected official like you. Thank you for your leadership roles today. Thank you to international guests from China, Thailand, France, and Canada. No matter where we union people live, we are as a family. Thank you for you joining us today. I would also like to thank you to Lao PDR or Lao People Democratic Republic embassy representatives from Washington D.C. and Lao People Democratic Republic United Nations representative from New York, as well as Hmong, Lao, Khmer, and other minority Laotian representative leaders from out of state who join us today. Your participation shows our unity and bonding together. So that's very unique. And thank you to our Union Grand Priests and pastors for sharing our religious beliefs. We may have different faiths. All beliefs pertain to a core value of love and prayer so that its members have a peace of mind and hope. Thank you to our community for coming out and showing support at our Union 50 Years in America event. And last but not least, thank you Hi-Fi Band, traditional drum player, flute player, and your team for entertaining at the 50 year celebration. My message to you, young Union American, we build a legacy, you carry on. Okay, let's enjoy the fun and exciting activities today. Thank you. Thank you. Chăm ồ mai cho hồ con bôi Union và con của Đái Đảng. Thank you. Dịch su quảng sẽ hồ Tây nói.
Hello, đúng không? Yếm yên phụ tròi hồ yếm Oregon Tây. Yếm lãnh trình cháu bữa bật tới yết lãnh trình nãy sang phim cháu thèm kiêm để bữa y tàu nãy kinh phút cháu hồ biển nãy chám thì nằm ngàn nãy cháu tôi chưa tại đồng hình hoài nãy bà thì sẽ lãnh trình chám chiến để bữa y tàu đúng không? Chứ kinh đồng nhiều nhé. Cái chỉ tại sẽ lãnh trình bữa California miền mùa hồ đúng không? Tại thèm biển nằm ngàn nãy kinh đúng không? Chỉ cha chám hài quan bữa giờ này là chúng chưa tài liệu chỉ tài sẽ cháu bữa nay em cô như thế ở chỉ năm tòng như thế ye con như này nói con tài chăm như thì là em con và sẽ tại chúng tại con hang lẽ trình bữa em cô như tại đúng không tại hồi bữa năm ngàn đúng không anh cháu lẽ trình bữa Oregon như Mien ồ ye lẽ trình bữa chăm bữa giờ chúng sponsor biển năm ngàn này đúng không thỉnh năm ngàn này chỗ năm ngàn này lẽ trình bữa chăm chiều bữa đúng không trình nhảy đúng không chữ ấy buôn biển tại thỉnh bữa chỗ chân năm ngàn xã chân bữa giờ chung hôm nay California miền mùa lọt đúng không chỉ con cũng tàn nó hoa nhỉ em phải chủ con bữa giờ này chăm chỉ tại đúng không năm ngàn nó chủ sẽ tại giờ này là đúng không bữa xe còn mai miền chăm tại hồi sẽ tại thỉnh chát giả chăm anh nó đúng không hắn nó tòng cho đến chủ về chủ miền mùa xe thu quảng coi ồ cả hiên của anh chỗ sơ chiết trên hàng phải lượt trên hàng với mà anh trò chia ồ đúng không lẽ trình sắp chăm cho em vui ở chung miền mùa lẽ trình chăm ồ con tôi bữa nay hăng ai con ạ lẽ trình
lẽ trình miền mùa tỏi yếm cô yếm phát chẳng xía lưu phải ta táo quảng giang hồ như tại hồ năm ngàn bữa yêu miền em chỉ hàng về bữa nhé bánh on này giang hồ tháo á bữa yên nhiều á liu bún tự tao thang nó tổng hiếu kiên mình chọn cha chọn sẽ chọn mày to mày bây nhé trên phụ quê gòn pham hiểu cha ta thỉnh cái tỏi thang nó mình bùa miền xe tu bánh on yếm cả hình liu lãnh trình bùa chia đâm sáng nghe bùa yêu miền để chúng nghe quảng giang hồ tại hồ tại lục tổ cha tại thỉnh tổ nhiều tròi tại dìa anh cháu chia đâm sáng nghe ồ tổ chín tổ nhàn tổ gòn pham để chú tại thỉnh sen ta về bữa chúng ta hai chỗ tu chuột sen mảng khảo mà bữa chia tàu miền lún miền nhẹ phục quê gòn pham phục quê như nhau lục trời ta hậu tài như vừa cấp chạy thì ta trốn xuất vừa không chỉ hàng vừa luôn phải vừa chụp quạt ở chụp chẳng có gì vừa miền vừa luôn thôi béo nản đồ hải khâu taได้vừa không chỉ hàng thì thôi vừa tiếng xuất chuồn chọn béo chuồn anh hỏi mà vừa phải vừa đâm nên em mảng kiến như vừa anh phụ giúp bùi mình bữa nay tiền hỏi anh cầu hàng này bữa nay anh cầu bèn này liu anh kita lên trình như vừa như chairman quay cho thèn anh cháu như vừa cao buổi chiều đó anh cháu vừa Frank EVA chairman cái xe bữa cho công khấu tiền mà bữa đúng lụng nhau nóiอย่าจมชุดอีบัวโจมาหรือว่าอีเปียต่อแปลงกองเฉียชาโจตุ้ดงได้เข้าดงได้เนี่ยจิตแต่ชุดตุ้ดงได้ป่าแองมังเขาแรงจริงบัวจ้าเมียนหัวเยี่ยมนะไม่กลัวอย่าจุ้งเถงเย็นจิตแต่ให้เป็นอย่างจิตแต่ให้อย่างนอแมงแองหลิวแรงจริงบัวต่างประเทศเนี่ยลาวยี่เจียนแค่ยี่เจียนแคนาดาฝรั่งอย่าจุ้งกว่างเกี่ยวหัวตาหัวยี่บัวปุ่นบัวตาแต่ตาแปงอ่อนเฉินมิงแต่ตาเย็นเยี่ยวอย่างเท่าบุอีเมียนป่านอย่าจุ้งตรงย้อนห้ามปล่อยอย่าหน้ามิงโทษมิงหัวต่อยอย่าจุ้งห้ามต่อยจุ้งแทงต่อยเกี่ยมิงบัวอีเมียนแปงอ่อนกายอะไรจริง
All right, so I just want to make a brief comment. Again, as I said, my name is Tan Jiem Tang. The Bogong Mien Wan Kon Chan Wa. Yeah, again, the way in Hoi, Nam Mai Mien, my executive team, my Nai Kapu Yo, my the key people, okay, Kapu Yo manage the meet and greet and the guests as well. The way Yun, Hiu, Dao Mei Chan, Mickey, Jessica, Kit, Elsie, those are Yun Gui, are our key people with our advisor to help with this event. And on top of that, we have our committee, 50 community planning committee member, Lang Sing Tam, Mai Bua Jie Tao, Mai Bua Teng Jeng Geng Gam Hiu, Nong Cha, the Chang Lang, Tu Jiep La Nye Nai, Mai Nam Hoi, Le Man In Hom Hoi Na, the fan, the way we plan Hang Bam Bua, Yin Zung Jie Tao, Yim Nai Hum Jiep, Nam State, Yim International, China, Canada, Thailand, and Laos. Yin Zung Tai Nai, and I think France too. Yin Zung Wum Kap Zun, Yin Zung Tai Nai, Tai Bua Ho, Yom Mai Nam Hoi, Lang Jing Tam Bua. So I just want to end, because our time constraint. The main goal of this event today is really to celebrate all of us, to celebrate the unity of our Yumian people. We are small in numbers, but coming together, we are huge and we can make a difference. As you can see, today's celebration is about our achievements from a humble beginning, coming from nothing, having nothing, no finance, no education, not having any language, coming here, not knowing what's going to happen when we get here. But today this year marks 50th years of all of U.S. Union here in America. And we want to show that we have people who have achieved in many levels. We have doctors, lawyers, attorney, nurses, government worker, educators, military service vets, and entrepreneurs, business owners, homeowners. Very successful people. We are contributing to society. I'm so thankful and grateful for all of you bringing your children, your grandchildren, bringing your kids, first generations. Our young kids, our goal is to preserve our culture, our language, and our tradition. And we hope that we will inspire our young. The goal is to celebrate, honor our past, celebrate our present, and embrace our future, hoping that our young generations will thrive and grow and see the importance of preserving our culture. We have our history exhibit here, talking about the whole history timeline. So I hope that every one of you will go through here and see our history. We spent the last 10 months planning for this, hoping to really preserve and honor and embrace our culture and inspire our people. And thank you all for being here today. Okay. Next on deck, 最少否 until after 最少เลยว่า要从潮个节目 family 不 honorable first union family 哦嚟正參 While we wait for 最少否 can I just have everyone take a moment of silence to honor our past leaders who have passed but because of their leaderships and from the war-torn country, we're here, but there's always people behind the scene, behind our Indian community that have the strength, built the strength, and brought us here. So let's honor our past leaders. Let's give a brief break of silence. Thank you.
Please stand up. 演中生嘅先啊，演中生嘅先啊，不演中別嘅樣面生嘅先哦，那不就 silent 嘅仰頭會接待嘅不動面啊，不也 president 啊 U.S. president the one of hero who passed away. So right now this time be silent in 9 seconds. Can you please count? 1, 2, 3.
cái phán dịch quả là ok nó tăng thể
Thank you. Please have a seat.
不要冲朝跟节目 family getting ready after 最少個車了中兩波法all the ladies that's gonna dance to 跟節目 song and the unity dance come around to the backstage in the cafeteria so we'll do a quick practice. Thank you.
現在會入場，入那咩過嘢要面哦，เดี๋ยว會ตำรวจไปอ่อนหอยเนี่ยแหล่งสิ่งทำเดี๋ยวว่าอินทอยเบอร์สองเมียนเบอร์ตู้เดี๋ยวนานแต่ฐานะไม่กลัวเยี่ยมตู้ผมเสียงอย่างอ่ะอีกอย่างอ๋อหลิวเบอร์สองเมียนตำรวจตรงเหี้ยวแต่เรียบเขียนน้ำยินหุยแต่กว้างต่อยเห่าบุกันถ่ายกินบุกันเดี๋ยวซุ่งโกโก้ลุ้นตู้ถอดได้ไม่กลัวอย่าน้ำแสงอย่าเจ๊น้ำกลิ่นน้ำยางอย่าเจ๊บัวอย่าซุ่งเนี่ยเดี๋ยวว่าอินทอยบัวลมจอยกว้างต่อยเย็นอยู่เย็นทอยอ๋ออยู่เดี๋ยวว่าได้แสงฟินอยู่บัวเดี๋ยวว่าเนี่ยเดี๋ยวว่าเต็งเปี้ยโจนน้ำยินก็เห็นก้องแต่บัวโจบัวยูเมียนเนี่ยยินหุยก้องแต่บัวโลดหอยซุ่งอาจจะได้ก้องปุ่นเดี๋ยวว่าโหปานหวางก้องโอว่าโหลดหอยบุญเย่โหลดจุงน่ะเซ่ห้านอทอเขียห้านอตุ่จุงเย่เขียห้านอนะปุ่นเดี๋ยวว่าหลุนว่าปานหายออกนั้นเจเดี๋ยวว่าหายจุงเงี้ยเมียนโอเดี๋ยวว่าเนี่ยส่วนตำเสียนก้องว่าก้องเตะเฮ็ดจะได้หม่ามวยจุงเมียนหัวจางก้องสายเยอะลมจอยโกฟัดเฉียนเซ่ลมจอยเนี่ยเดี๋ยวว่าจางเมียนถึงเนี่ยเดี๋ยวว่าชาวเซียวเจียวเนี่ยที่นั่นมีเยอะก้องแต่จูงปุ่นเนี่ยหมูหมาออกนะอย่าเฉินตัวช่วงก้องแต่เจีเนี่ยเราจอยโนให้เจียวเจียว่าเราจอยปุ่นรวมทองก้อยทุกความสีด่าเนี่ยจริงเว้ยชินนั่งเจียบลัวเนี่ยฟุยโยโลมัวนาจุนงี้เจียบล้อฟามมันผัวดาคุณเสียวดาเป็งเนี่ยฟุยแสงเสียดจิวซอยหล่อเวตายจิวนาไม่เจียวโตโลคอยเจียวกินนาวนกว่าเปิดล้อจุนงินว่าพยายามสู้ให้ปินใส่สู้เท้าเจมานามันเปียวแมงล้อ phổ lo phát展chiều na tình chia của lo cha biểu biểu theo lại chiều na xếp hai nhẹ sâu nhầm bên quân na diệu bè phím nhân yêu nhận tổng cho soi dung của màu sâu kẹng na tin buồn gian diệu biểu biểu Việt Nam na phiêu diệu của biểu biểu liệu kinh thầy của lo diệu Việt Nam thái của thái đã diệu dùng của nhà tây ó diệu tình yam đun lo với man man liệu kinh phán diệu nhân man đun lo chân vô trời thúy diệu na bè phi gió chiều chân cú địa liang man xoáng liều tàu biểu mẹ với nhía diệu lo hàng biểu biểu thái diệu đó sinh mẹ khắp bằng thái na hùng sao xíu lo dìa thái chân bún tu tây tàu xếp liệt khi trên nán mình vô nạn màn suốt liều chiều tình đàn dân của chia của tài lo chiều sao xíu dìa mấy của phá chiều cha na ta lo to tai nạn mà na chiếu mẹ sang tổng cho ông ye chúa màn tối lo yam tí mai lo nhiên thao chia lo chiều phạm giảng với niên kê là hiền máu quý ở liao kinh bè phím với giỏi phiêu yêu phôn phiêu yêu chia tại khói qua chiếu bầu tàu dùn hô lô bè yêu nhận biểu bìa mấy chiều của lại có xin na yêu na nhiên na xin tháo chiều dùn mẹ của chi ngà hô nhận hiếu diệu phím diệu dây phím dần xin tháo chiều tại nhớ họ cha giàu rồi phiếu hồ cao nà châm siêu chúa mình giờ xin chúa bé xét chiếm đùa vui phải nhuận mùa xuân nghỉ chiếm lo phàm màn của nín kê na bình gian vui nghỉ chiếm phải mùa lo xuân phàm nhuận chạy dĩa nhàng nám nhỏ mảnh hin đổ hao yêu lo nhiên bia máy siêu tài nhẹ chiều vừa hiu nhét choáng tiền xe nhận nhận rồi hô tài yêu nhận nghĩa cho nền tảng kéo lo kiếm phúi phun lo tài diệp ô nên yết ra yêu cha là cho mấy qua liệp khi đang in quá bầu lo chun làng chỉ với trắng chân rồi tổng ê lo nôn nhân nhân tổng ê lo phiêu phim chẳng quê cha là xuất diện nhẹ thênh lo nôn sông mình chân kia lo tài lo nôn trắng chân rồi doãn hậu ở làng in nào nhìn trắng mình sinh tài nhẹ láng tình quyến xiên sẽ chia qua yêu thiên tài hậu lo chiều dùng qua thái chiều cha na ta lo phá qua yêu thiên na rồi tháo chiều quyến xiên đến tình đồng thiên tài lo mấy của cha nhiên diên láng tình làng in nói lệ dám bê hiu diên mày hai châu dám rồi dùn khao mộng choáng chân diên yêu nhé mình nó rồi cha dùn khu ý dùn ô hề nghìn vạn mãi to su dám diễn chính ấy rằng lén yam ô rồi yên phố em chính chính biên giống trong là chân chính nhẹ với mãn giang to nhuận dễ yam ai su yam thâu lô nụn trắng nhận ý tu nô phiền tai mạn trắng tai mạn trắng thiên là dễ mũi rồi mong về trắng thiên là rồi đồng ê nên hô giỏi tài giỏi mũi quang làm gì nhẹ đâuทอไปขี่จะได้คล้องคุณเมียนเหมือนต่อยแต่ว่าเรือฮัตโยเนี่ยแต่ว่าเสวาหลงเสวาเตทุกรวมทองก้อยโอลูกก้อยแป้งอ่อนยิมหน้าอีทอยเบอร์อย่าจุ้งตุ้มจอดตุ้มพางยิมหน้าเนี่ยแต่ว่าเหินคุณเนี่ยมันจะอยากยินหุยแต่ต่อไปคุณซิงกินจนแป้งอ่อนโกลุนโกฟัดแต่ต่อไปไหวฟิงจิวจนไหวส่งเจียเสียนฟิล์มให้ยุ่งเซวายให้ยุ่งchiếu cầu bùi dầu của họ xiên thiên hùng chiếu cầu bùi dầu xiên ông thái bùi dầu của xiên phù ye chiếu cầu diêu về với chúng xóa miền tự tàu tại kinh dầu dần bèn on ô đáng trình chăm ok thôi để trình chăm cho bài đáp vừa bốn đây bài siêu bài cái đó bài cái đó tốt tiếp vào冲như dẹp và tới đó bằng cá tay sẽ hổ chia với tay họ dê tàu phèm da tàu á ý rằng tôi bữa đây bữa đây sống tay
Nikki hả ó Nikki chào phụ chơi qua Nikki yếm Oliver tại qua yếm mày chào qua group pun phụ chơi dance show vậy oh hả yeah
thôi thì sao bỏ đã vừa bài thi tiền bây giờ chào tim cái nào hình ở technical là bây giờ system chưa
Dân yêu thật chất bè gòn với hiệp trang yêu miền anh hay cầu vừa mới lắm chưa nè chưa tăng mà vừa lộn nhau chưa tăng như cho tôi tiêu dùng tôi đủ kiểu à nó có ý chú chỉ千金when nó vừa im hoang thật chứ nên hoang tỏi bia hoang ta nó tập buông xe tông in hoi chiên và chiên miền cho bữa yêu miền nhé nọ mùi phải vừa bia chê tỏ tải này mấy quật buông sẽ mà hay nhung đủ chiếu à con thầu này bây giờ bùa quân mà bây giờ chung mà nếu hiện đây cũng là phun và anh hay tại thiên kiến hồ trà sáng hệ cho tôi lộn rồi hay ở bất cần những quả phun cho tôi lộn ở tầm bây giờ tôi cho thiên kiến anh hay ồ nhưng mà vừa bị chết xuống mạng tiêu dùng sớt bây giờ cũng là phun ta tao thiên kiến anh hay hiu tôi à bữa sáng miền yếm cô đồ hay ở mai yếm phát đồ hay ở mai chia đâm qua tăng hiếu chia bữa chả lao tập buông năm hồ năm quang tàu này vướng gọi gì hiện phơm gọi gì bên vừa tài tăng chủ hiện năm qua nhé buồn hắn tài kia đi bên nó năm qua bữa yêu miền tốt tật thần ai hậu thốt bún tôm giỏi ăn hay chân mình yang ira na po bani siyo nyun phim bu yêu miền mà chế nàn anh chân được bùa bùa ya chế buông can lung mình mẹ đua bữa tận tàu chín nhiều bèn ở đó ồ như là mình anh hay ạ giờ bữa này có ít chiều phải ít chiều yếm tên này có ít chiều liền này tung năm số xuất bữa này bữa
nếu như tăng yên tại sự quang hòa như là sự quang tiền họ nếu như kinh lãng sinh giờ sông nên kinh mà nhau thăm thảo với yêu miền và tại nếu như bên tôi dùng tại quảng hải điều là nó nếu như lãng sinh đến sắm ô lãng sinh sắm và lãng sinh vừa miền vừa tỏi dung lùm rồi tại hậu nom nhìn vừa quang này không chỉ hàng luôn địa như trong hồ
Could I have the Golden Generations come out, please? You guys are dance one. Everybody give a round of applause for Golden Generation from Oroville.
tôi lành xinh đó
ok chuẩn bị thô dầu lọp buôn qua hiểu chính yến phải chơi bữa tôm miền bữa hệ quân hi
lành xinh bùa chúa ổ con qua đuôn phải những phụng yếm bà bùa bùa này bảo dù thông điệp thảo này bùa lành xinh đuôn cháu thì chẳng toàn thành yến quá.
Come on, don't wait the time. Mà nó dạo mình chỉ nói thật. Như chú tụi mình quăng lòng mình nói mà. Quá cái này mày dừng.
ok
Mình ngâm cái đó cái dạo.
missing understand như trên được vậy như bảo căn tiêu nên là như là năm sau buôn những phòng phải thành yến như xe toàn phải đường đâu vậy buôn năm sau thông bố trang miền thỉnh cái anh hay thành yến nên thỉnh chẳng tu có chẳng này có nghi chấm xin nên thỉnh hôm nay ý thông mà bố bảy năm bát giang buôn hậu tắng năm lo buôn thành yến ồ nên yếm cả năm lùng kia nên mảng cái búa nhé nên thỉnh cái búa anh hay yêu ồ ok cái này mình sẽ lo buôn nên buôn được im hơn
Nhiều chịu cái chuyện hưa mà.
nhiều đạo tiền nó vượt thuốc tổng khuyết cần thuốc non nên nó quý rồi
Trẻ nó.
rồi
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
จ๋า
Thank you very much. This song is a special dedication to the first Mien billionaire, Mr. Charlie Cheyen Saipon's family. He tried to support this event like 25,000 US. Thank you. Please welcome my uncle, Mr. Gao Chiam, to have a speech right now.
Today for the celebration of the 50th year of anniversary of all of us coming to America. ขอบพระคุณทุกท่านที่มาร่วมในงานในวันนี้นะครับก็รู้สึกว่าดีใจมากที่หลายคนก็มาเข้ามาร่วมกันนะครับแล้วก็ขอบใจน้ำพี่น้องสถานทูตจากสปป.ลาวเนาะอยู่วอชิงตันดีซีแล้วก็นิวยอร์กเนาะซื้อก็คือสิว่าบ่แล้วผมเวลามันสั่น แล้วก็ขอบใจน้ำพี่น้องห้องผู้ที่ว่าเริ่มเอาโอ country รักษาเราเนาะรักษาพี่น้องเราขอบใจหลายฮักบ้านเกิดเราขอบใจหลายยี่กองที่เทียนเมียนว่าโอแหลนสิงช้ำหรือว่าเนี่ยบัวเมียนบัวต่อยอาจารย์บัวอย่าโชว์อย่าเป็นทุซุงบัวเมียนบัวต่อยอย่าซุงแต่เท่าใต้ก้อนเทียนหย่ำบางไฟอยู่ว่าโลดห้อยหน่ายเพื่ออย่าดูว่าเนี่ยยำจะล้างปูอย่ามาบนเชียตะปูหวายใต้เดี๋ยวจะหาเพื่อนแต่สุดเปียวแต่ยำจะท้ายปูอย่าเส้นใต้เก่งแหลนสิงจะท้ายปูอยู่หงจ้าหรือบัวอย่าเก่งบางไฟหรือว่าจะเขาเรียนบัวอพยพที่เมียนยำกันแล้วฝรั่งหรือว่าเนี่ยเขมรเสาด้วยเวียดนามตะปูแต่เท้าใต้หรือว่าอย่าหรือว่าเองหรือว่าสร้างหรือศูนย์ตะปูผู้ใหญ่สูงปีแต่เยี่ยมเกี้ยนเดี๋ยวจะหาผู้ใหญ่เซเองหรือว่าเนี่ยแหลนสิงถ้าอเมริกาในวงการน้ำโชว์นะผู้ใหญ่แต่เขาเรียนบัวเป็นสุบัวเก่งน้ำโชว์เก่งเข้าหายโดนเปียวแบ่งยังโชว์นะเก่งเข้าหายแต่เหลียวหลังน้อยหรือว่าเซอยู่ว่ากอยซุยปุ่นบัวแต่ในอเมริกาตะปูปากเขาปากอย่างสู้ sponsors หรือว่า churches แล้วหายอันสาวหรือว่าเนี่ยอย่าต่อยยันเนี่ย sponsor หรือว่าลงเหี้ยวต่อบัวใต้ในอเมริกาตะปูบัวสิงใต้อย่าสู้ทุกแต่ในอเมริกาตะปูทุกคุยคุยยันทุกเย็นเดียวบัวอีจันสกิงสาวจีด่างบัวเปียวแมงอย่างโจ้ไปแต่ละน้องบัวสกิงมีทุกจังมีทุกโกให้เนี่ยผู้ยิมเมียนอย่าตัวโซตัวทางตัวเท่าด็อกเตอร์อย่ามาซ้ำดูว่าเนี่ย master degree อย่ามาซ้ำดู bachelor degree อย่ามาซ้ำอย่าตัวเอโลหายก้มเปียวโลหายตัวเรื่องเดโลหายเสียหยุ่งสกิงหายอันให้ก็ดูว่าเนี่ยมาทำไปต่อมาดูว่าหายฮัจันทำถอผู้ยิมเมียนดูว่าเนี่ยแต่ทุกจังแต่ทุกโกเนี่ยเจ้าอย่างสกิงหายอันให้ก็ดูว่าเนี่ยป่าเส้นแต่เขาปางผู้เมียนอย่างแต่ดูว่าเก่งลมจอยก็ทำở chỗ bận rộn như cháu họ cho nên nó có hàng vừa chú lùi hàng hộp tiêu hộp đều như là biên hàng đều phối in vừa như vừa căn trà hàng nó thăm ta bây giờ tận thời giờ này về chỗ bây giờ chú thăm thầu vừa cả hai như cháu vừa hàng nó cháu sẽ hay chú khuya nhận vừa hàng nó cháu sẽ chú đều như vừa mai cả hai lồng chân mình bây giờ bây giờ chú cho bận rộn cho phần sự thật sự cái ý tưởng nó cái đối với bằng phần bùi miền bằng cái cái hàng hay có bùi miền này cái mình tu cô mình tu trắng hàngอย่าโทษปุ่นป่วยอย่าหอยเกินพี่หอยทางที่mình tổ sâu que chân mìnhปุ่นป่วยyêu miền đấy đối vớiปุ่นcầu ai chỉ tình phim ởปุ่นป่วยอย่าzoom hắn taoอย่าđối vớiปุ่นทางchân mình tổ chức sâu que chân mình cái lồng nhau hàng Well, my time is very limited. So, anyway, first of all, I just want to again thank you, all of you, for coming to join this celebration of our Mien's 50 years anniversary of coming to America. And first of all, I wanted to thank the Thai government for allowing us to come to Thailand, and then they even built many camps to allow all of us refugees to come to Thailand to wait for our way to come to America. And also wanted to thank the American government at that time for allowing all of us to come to America. And however, without the sponsors, we could not have been here. But because of the sponsors, all the churches and individual sponsors, because of your help, your sympathetic heart, that's why you have helped us, all of us, to bring all of us here to America, to have better life, to enjoy the freedom and opportunity. And I'm so proud of all of us. And I can't thank enough the American government at that time, and also the church members and individual sponsors. I really, really appreciate all of your good heart at that time. And right now, look at our people, how far we have gone from the tough life during the time we were running away from our old country. And because of that time was a war time, and we have run away from our old country and to Thailand, and then today we are here, and so we have made so much progress, our people. We have many doctorate degrees, and master's degrees, bachelor's degrees, and a lot of business owners too. So anyway, I just wanted to mention our second family from Thailand, Phu Wang Pu. He and his family came to America in the same year, 1976, but it was in November. We came in 1976 on April 23rd, and after we came to Midland, Michigan, we lived there for a year, a little bit over a year. But then we happened to know that my cousin brother, Phu Wang Pu, came in with his family to America. We have connected with him, and then we decided to move to Portland, Oregon to join him. And we stayed in Portland, Oregon ever since. So anyway, we wanted to thank again all of you for your kind-hearted people that come to join us today. And I want to thank our Lao Embassy personnel, and also our home brothers and who come to join us today. Thank you so much. Oh, I will sing a song, Mien song. All the village ladies, please come out to dance.
Okay, what we call is we have unity dance right now. Okay, thôi sao bảo là vừa sẽ chỉ coi đó nào.
because we just created this song a few weeks ago, and now you have taught your dancers so well. Thank you.
ตัวแหล่งจริงถ้าบอกได้เซ่ว่าอยากเขาเชียมเย่ดีประวัติพังเย่ดูความต่อยเย่กงน้ำสุดเส้นสิ่งไปได้ไปอ่อนหรือว่ามีคิดกลัวนะน้ำสุดทศจุยเท้าเนี่ยว่าบัวคิดต่างมาการเยี่ยมว่าแกงด่างก็บุกเสากงเยี่ยมว่าประกาศต้องปวดต้องในทามเจแบนเนอร์ว่าในทามแบนเนอร์ว่าปุ่นโอเคแรงจริงถ้าบอกไม่มีตรงตัวนั้นแรงจริง
Okay. No, the best one to do. Get. Yeah. You know the history exhibit, the flyers, the QR code.
Okay, the next program we would like to welcome our major government official keynote. That's Mayor Kevin McCarthy.
Good morning. You guys look beautiful out there. It's my pleasure today, on behalf of the City of Sacramento, as the Mayor of Sacramento, to join you in celebrating a very special day, very special weekend, the 50th anniversary of the United Mien community right here in America, right here in California, right here in Sacramento. As you know, after the American troops withdrew from Vietnam in 1973, and after the fall of Saigon, many of you and your ancestors came to American California. There are 50,000 of you here in America today, 20,000 here in Sacramento. So for 50 years, we're proud that Sacramento has welcomed refugees, welcoming people looking for a better chance for a way for their family. And really, today is a celebration of not only your success, but the resilience and the sacrifice of you and your family. So the City of Sacramento stands by the United Mien community for 50 years strong. And more importantly, in this day and age, when there's a lot of conversation about immigration and immigrants and refugees, this is a reminder of the beautiful history of our country, welcoming people to our great capital city of Sacramento. So thank you for being involved in education and business and nonprofits and community. But most importantly, what I'm excited about is you're able to teach us something about your community. Not only do you value your culture, you make sure that the rest of us understand the traditions of the United Mien, and we see that with certainly your kids here today. So we have a proclamation here on behalf of the City of Sacramento, recognizing May 23rd, 2026 as the 50th anniversary in America, celebrating our United Mien community. Congratulations. How about right over here? Anna. Okay. Thank you.
Next, we have Assembly Member Stephanie Nguyen. She's going to come up and present another proclamation. So let's welcome Stephanie.
Thank you. How exciting it is to be here and celebrate 50 years with all of you. Congratulations. Happy anniversary on this 50th year. What a joy it is to have the Mien community, a part of our community here in Sacramento. I can tell you, prior to being in the legislature, I ran an organization called Asian Resources, and our Mien community was one of our most beloved community that came in and made sure that we included them at the table, because for the longest time, it was always just the Vietnamese community, the Chinese community, the Japanese community, and then we wanted to make sure that everybody knew that there is a Mien community that is very vibrant and very active here in Sacramento. And so I want to thank you for having us all here. On behalf of the state of California and the Assembly, I'm so proud to be able to present this resolution to the community on your 50th anniversary. I can also tell you this. I'm the first Asian American woman to serve in this position at the state capitol. But I would love to see you men be at the capitol with me too. And so it's gonna take all of you to make sure you elect somebody from your community to serve on school boards, city councils, mayors, governors, maybe one day the President of the United States. But it starts somewhere, and it takes all of you. I come from a family where my parents wanted me to be a doctor, lawyer, engineer, and I did none of that. And what I ask for you is that you tell your children to look into being a part of this community. Because if you're not here, people will forget about you. They will overlook you. But we're so fortunate to have a mayor in Sacramento, a mayor in Elk Grove, board of supervisors, and others that will always be on your side. But I need your help. I need you to also encourage little boys and little girls to look at running for office so that you can also be represented. Thank you so much. Happy 50th anniversary. Thank you for having us on here.
Chúng chị mình của Hoàng đã Elk Grove nghe được qua mayor với chị đảng miền Yêm đã Sacramento hăng bà Yêm 1999 actually we bought our first house in Elk Grove, so that maybe family, family, a lot of people in Elk Grove. So Bobby Singh, Mayor Bobby Singh Allen is from Elk Grove, Mayor of Elk Grove. We zoom by Poponino.
All right, good morning, everyone. Today we proudly celebrate the Mien 50th anniversary arriving in the United States, a moment to honor the strength, resilience, culture, and contributions of the Mien community throughout our nation and right here in our local communities. For generations, Mien Americans have enriched our schools, businesses, neighborhoods, public service, and cultural life. The Mien story is one of courage, sacrifice, perseverance, and hope. It is a story rooted in family, tradition, and an unwavering commitment to creating a better future for the next generation. As we reflect on the past 50 years, we honor the elders and pioneers who carried traditions across oceans, overcame unimaginable hardships, and built strong foundations for future generations. But today is also about looking forward. The next 50 years belongs to our young people, the future leaders, educators, entrepreneurs, artists, and public servants who will continue to shape a stronger and more inclusive America. Our shared responsibility is to ensure that they inherit opportunities, representation, equity, and communities where they can thrive while proudly embracing their identity and beautiful and rich heritage. The Mien community's future is bright, powerful, and full of promise. As we celebrate today, let us continue building bridges, uplifting one another, and ensuring that the next 50 years are defined by unity, opportunity, and progress for all. Thank you, everyone, and congratulations. And I will present the City of Elk Grove's proclamation to community representatives. Thank you.
Desmond from the County of Board of Supervisor of Sacramento County, and he will be presenting another proclamation resolution on the behalf of the Sacramento County Board Supervisor, and he is a board supervisor himself. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And could you have asked for a better day to celebrate 50 years of the Mien community in the United States? This is just an amazing day, amazing turnout, amazing venue here, and it is truly an honor for me to be here representing the Sacramento County Board of Supervisors. And you know, this actually, I have a personal connection with the community. I was a teacher here at Hiram Johnson for 1 year, and that was kind of my first exposure to the Mien community in Sacramento. And I was exposed to the richness of the culture, the complexity of the culture, and how many wonderful things that the culture brings to Sacramento. So for me, it's almost like coming full circle to be here to present this resolution today to you to celebrate 50 years of enriching Sacramento, 50 years of building careers in education and medicine and small business and community advocacy. The Mien community in Sacramento has done so much for us in Sacramento County, and it is a hallmark to what this community is about in Sacramento, welcoming people from diverse backgrounds, from different cultures, who celebrate their cultures, who educate people about their cultures, but also come together as Sacramentans and Californians and Americans. And that is what is so wonderful about the day today. And it's an honor for me to be here to celebrate with my colleagues in the city of Sacramento and the state legislature, and to acknowledge you and present you with this resolution from the Sacramento County Board of Supervisors, congratulating you on 50 years in the United States, and really bragging that about between 50 and 70,000 Mien people in the United States, 20,000 of them in Sacramento County. And I could not be prouder to represent the jurisdiction that has the largest concentration of Mien people in the United States. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you for all U.S. officials to be here today. We call Sacramento is our hometown. Thank you so much.
On behalf of our 50th Mien Community Planning Committee and our executive team, we thank all of you for being here. We know how precious your time is, how valuable it is, but yet on this hot day, you still took the time to come out here and celebrate with us, and giving us that recognition, that resolution means a lot to the whole community. This creates visibility for all of us. Like I said earlier, although we're small in numbers, but in unity, we can be massive. We can make a difference. We do impact. We do make a difference, and we want to be put on the map to be recognized who we are. On any census, you don't see Mien or Mien on any of the census, and we hope one day that we can create that change. Thank you. All right, they want us to come, all of you to come down, and we're going to take a picture with our international guests. We have our representative, Mien from China, Thailand, Canada, France, and it looks like we have Laos too, so let's come on down. Thank you. All the guests, our VIP guests, they want to take a moment to take a picture. Assembly members, mayors, guests, Canada, and co-chairman, representative of Oregon State and Washington State. Again, this will not happen without all of you and our planning committee members. So there's so many to name.
Thôi lệnh trình ở bữa giờ bữa chết biển ăn các đám phá có hiện dânประธานทูตทั้งสองท่านเลยคณะคณะของห้างบ้านเกิดแล้วญาติพี่น้องที่มาจากเมืองจีน请我们的中国瑶族亲友一起，你们3位一起出来拍一个相。 sắp phật lăng nhá phật lăng chân ta nhá không hiểu vậy chắc là sẽ lưu các phàng ổ nó xây bùa chiến nhiên sẽ hổ liều được thôi chiến miền các đồng phàng sẽ mày thầy cuaอย่าตายliềuส้มcuaอย่าตายฝากcuaอย่าตายchân taอย่าตายOkay, just a quick message. Anyone who lost your key, it sounds like the wallet here, the money inside, okay? We don't want to open. Anyone who lost, just please come to claim. Thank you. Mày búa nhá, nằm bảo yếm cái khói tăng hình bùn bùi giúp giờ chứ mà dòng giấy với mặt khói. Okay, I hope that's enough. Thank you so much.
I forgot to acknowledge Seattle performers Reading, Visalia, Merced, Oroville, Elk Grove, Sacramento. Everybody is here. I need you guys to spread out, ladies. You guys are not spread out. Bây giờ chúng dân dàn tay ồ. Nam will need the space. Nam will for the bông na to need space nhé. Arms length, make sure we spread out. Tặng vừa mình trong tụi tôi muốn spread out na. Okay, everybody, we're giving you a chance. Hát tao anh hồ tú Seattle nhé tay tập phái. Oroville, Oregon, Reading, Sacramento, Elk Grove, Merced, Visalia. Are we all here? Okay, all right, everyone's ready. Boy, I spread out the have fun, ladies. Just have fun. This is just a beautiful line dance. We're all just here to have fun. Enjoy yourself. Don't worry about making mistakes. If you do, just retract, come back. You'll be fine. Thank you.
It's still luôn đom you con luôn nữa nè keng lãnh chính tham tiêu dùng na phía nhân miền wa hiểu nhiên chiều Saipan Mien Sacramento nhân tiêu dùng na chính đảng phía tập bên hàng đầu hàng chẳng con là love song bà ibu anh thiếu có ibu lọ nhiên Saipan nên thiếu ta con thầu bé thầu wa chém hàng yên na chém cái tập bung thốt suy ý bên tay wa allergy lượng wa ok hắn nào wa bố mắng tay xịa ton and so thấy yên na stage chúng ta ngồi ibu lọ chứ wa đơn ti nha dương quá nó bùi có nó có hòa bùi suốt na.
Okay, ladies, as we practice, we'll have start at the end. If you turn how audience now, just win pink ballet. You zoom win audience lãnh chính the curtsy, okay? Lãnh chính and Koi, you're next on deck. Koi Wang Saipan. Mày hãy nói yếm trên đó chua chỗ này vừa you need to dance ballet hiểu mày pháo, okay? Okay.
yêu miền chỉ hàng nghe Lam Bông.
Ok, vừa đó tôi sẽ tiến tỏi ở vừa bài tiến bây giờ tiếp bây giờ cell phone và iPad và cái nào thinh tăng vừa đó tôi hải á.
Girls in the front, maybe you guys can back up a little bit. Make sure you have room as you're dancing forward. Don't want to go crash into the camera.
Forward.
There's room in the back. When the gang they through your I got my room. Now it's okay, yeah. Okay, but yam sa te o tam wa. Dawa ma te nit jan nam tia wa sui ta o tam mai song so nai. Okay, the gang te. There's room.
Come forward. Come
They
forward.
front time. But the gang te is positioned with self so everyone can see you.
Come forward. They got a lot of room.
Group dance everyone enjoy today. Thank
Ok,
you.
đó thì có unity dance rồi. Thì là vừa đóว่าสวัสดีต่อvừa bài tỏi sẽ chết đây là tôi nhớ
Ladies, ready? He just found the music, but we didn't know, so we're ready now.
Tiếp tục yêu hài.
Tia chứ ở California như weather hăng nó ở 冷静参，最个也种做的最的冷静哦。
来ดูหินสีหางในลำโพง
Thank
you
ตอนไหนสิงช้าบอกเฮ้ยไปเพื่อ